Legends of Learning presents the Fraction Constructor game. This is a math game that makes learning about finding volume using fractional side lengths fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, build new structures in the city to accommodate the rising housing needs. In this game by Zapzapmath, students will find the volume of a right rectangular prism with fractional edge lengths by packing it with unit cubes of the appropriate unit fraction edge lengths. Use your math skills to create the right shapes that have the correct dimensions. Use the blocks to build a shape with the required dimension shown on screen. Use the blocks to build a shape with the required dimensions shown on screen. Use your knowledge of fractions to create the right shaped objects by clicking on the sliders to adjust the height, width, and length before clicking on the Submit button to check your answers. Progress to higher levels and challenge your math skills of fractions and volume. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
Level 3 complete. Level 4.